In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Lucidspark step by step, even if you've never used the pen tool before. Lucidspark makes it easy to sketch ideas, brainstorm visually, and freehand draw right on your whiteboard canvas. So if you want to add quick drawings, diagrams, annotations, or shapes to your board, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to lucid.app, then log into your account. Once you're inside Lucid, click the plus new button in the top left corner. From the menu, select Lucidspark. You can start with a blank board if you want full freedom, or choose a template if you want to build on an existing layout. Either way, this will open your Lucidspark canvas where you can begin drawing. Now that your board is open, look at the primary toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is where all your main tools live. To draw by hand, click the pen tool, which usually looks like a squiggle or scribble icon. If you want a faster option, you can also just press P on your keyboard to activate the pen tool instantly. Once selected, you'll know it's active because your cursor is now ready for freehand drawing. Next, take a look at the top of the screen. A secondary formatting bar should appear once the pen tool is active. This is where you can customize how your drawing looks. You can adjust the line thickness if you want a thin sketch or a bolder stroke. You can also choose a pen color, which is helpful if you want to separate ideas, highlight sections, or make your board easier to read. If you want Lucidspark to help smooth out your drawing, you can also turn on Drawing Assist. This feature can snap your freehand lines into cleaner shapes, which is especially useful for boxes, circles, arrows, and other simple visuals. Now it's time to actually draw. Click and hold your left mouse button, then drag your cursor across the canvas to sketch or write whatever you need. Because Lucidspark gives you a large whiteboard-style workspace, you can keep drawing freely without worrying about running out of room. You can jot down notes, outline ideas, draw arrows between concepts, or make quick illustrations to support your brainstorming session. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always undo, erase, or adjust your work as needed. Keep in mind that the pen tool stays active until you switch to another tool. So if you want to move around the board, click another icon on the toolbar or use a shortcut like the spacebar to navigate the canvas. This makes it easy to draw, pan, and continue working without constantly switching back and forth. If you're creating a bigger board, this workflow is especially helpful for mapping out a full project or team brainstorm. A good tip is to zoom in when you need more precision and zoom out when you want to see your whole layout. That way, your drawing stays neat and you can organize your ideas better. You can also combine drawing with sticky notes, shapes, and text to make your Lucidspark board more complete and more useful for collaboration. And that's it. Now you know how to draw in Lucidspark using the pen tool, how to adjust the settings, and how to sketch directly on your whiteboard canvas. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.